Omurutayo rw'abarambuzo mbiceka byankore orubirugendero kutungura by'abarambuzo kurabira mu kwinga ababayitira factory ya Inspire Coffee Africa Group ebingi barukumanyanga Africa Coffee Park erukushanga mu rwashamiro mu district ya Ntungamo Jacqueline Nyirakiza besije urukamisha no ministry y'uburambuzi nagira ngo ministry egenderiro kongera kutunga sente kurabira mu by'uburambuzi commissioner Nyirakiza yongire yagira ngo kuramburaga mu amakorero nikikuyamba yihango gukora bimwe byakusikiriza abarambuzi kwikahamya nyeji
to look at how government is trying to see how we can achieve the $500 million US. We are trying to see how now, because for tourism, we are going to be doubling by 25. It's others are having a smaller, I would say they gave them a smaller target, and tourism we have been given a bigger target, because right now where we are at around 1.7 million US dollars, they want us to go up to 50 million.
Kunkaha at umwanaha tugongera mu ebirungo gurga hanjuma gukora mu za perfume amashita go kwesiga na nogo mwana kubeta sorbo ninga instant ukutahantu ya heru
abagaba yongeragira ngo umwana barize guhindura cyo burambuzi n'enshonga y'ibiragimera umuntu yajigambireho
abana barukusinga yukora umwana habingi n'eminyeto so tuyinteka ha ishomero y'umwana Coffee Academy kwegesa abana barukose y'umwani n'abana barukutabara babarista ubona n'abana bato igihe n'emigisha y'abana bato kutaho umwana hato umwana kuja kugera intasya nungi abo kugera ngo tuyinikorro
abahinji bona abino mwana bakuba right now ni guseringa mnonga gulime sente nabwecho haliho abarambuzi abadyokwe kandi nabo bali interested nko mu farming nko mu mwani sono za kushangala abarambuzi baruganka za Belgium baruganka manga gaheru kandi bali interested mu coffee production
abahinji bingi bo mwana bahigirwa kutabintu byinjo misiri yabo hamwe no mu makorero gabo ibiraba sekuretera abarambuzi bahiko myanya yabo gashakwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.